Software for viewing 3D objects on the internet are already available. What makes the O2C Cloud unique?
The O2C Cloud is something completely new, which delivers universal 3D accessibility. 3D web players are already available on the internet, but can only be used under Windows or Apple operating systems. We believe that any operating system or device should be able to access 3D objects online. O2C Cloud generates the three-dimensional visualization by processing the data in the cloud, not on the device. Therefore, for example, you may have an older device, such as a first-generation iPad, but you still have the same performance as on a high-end desktop computer. In fact, the device simply needs to be able to load something as simple as a video.
So who does this apply to, and who will benefit from this technology?
Mainly website developers and agencies, but it can also apply to large companies that develop their own websites. We offer the cloud server as a service, and we do not ultimately develop websites for our clients. However, we do make exceptions when our clients have a specialist project that a web agency cannot fulfill. Everything that can be drawn in 3D can be visualized in this way. The more complex the product, the more it makes sense to visualize it. What appeals to companies is the O2C configurator, especially when it comes to a matter of taste, such as clothing. We developed a guitar configurator for a leading manufacturer. The multitude of possible combinations is so high that not all configurations can be stored in a fixed way. Using the O2C player, customers can customize, price, and order their product while seeing the live 3D model update, all within their web browser and on any device. We use the same 3D technology in our architectural product, Archon. Although Archon is commonly used by architects for drawing 3D house plans, estate agents can also easily trace a 2D plan and within a quarter of an hour generate a 3D house that can then be emailed as an O2C object to their client. The client clicks on the link and has the full capacity to explore their home in 3D. This, of course, provides excellent customer loyalty and a unique selling proposition by providing a 3D object as well as a 2D floor plan. Some platforms currently use OpenGL, where the 3D calculations are processed on your local computer. This can present a disadvantage as the data must be installed. The computer must also be fast enough to process the data. The fact is that a mobile device is not sufficient. In recent years, and due to the fact that the browser could not show three-dimensional content, we required a separate tool which installs as a plugin. The advantage of using a plugin is that all the processing power is locally available on one's own PC. It might not be necessary to load any images or additional data from the internet, but the disadvantage is that you must first install software. Savvy internet users are often afraid that this software will also include viruses or annoying advertising, especially as it is for free. This plugin download and install procedure inconveniences the user, which is why we developed the O2C Cloud Player. There is no need to install anything when you use the O2C Cloud Player.